Are you tired of overcrowding your kitchen or using multiple appliances to prepare different parts of your meal? Do you wish for a reliable, efficient, and spacious skillet that can do it all? Then let us introduce you to this elite gourmet extra deep electric skillet, a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. This 10.5 quart, 16-inch by 13-inch by 3.2-inch deep skillet offers you the ability to cook large portions, prepare full meals, and save time without sacrificing taste or convenience. Whether you're cooking a large breakfast, searing meats, or even making a quick stir-fry, the Elite Gourmet electric skillet has everything you need to enhance your cooking experience. Let's dive deep into why this skillet should be your next kitchen upgrade. Why choose the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet? Cooking can be a time-consuming task, especially when you have a large family or are preparing meals for gatherings. The Elite Gourmet Electric Skillet simplifies meal preparation with its spacious cooking surface, allowing you to cook larger portions at once. It's perfect for family breakfasts, holiday dinners, and one-pan meals that save both time and effort. Key features: healthy and safe cooking. The marble stone non-stick coating is PFOA-free, making it safe for your health and free from harmful chemicals. No more worrying about toxic fumes or compromised food quality. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release, which means cleanup is quick and simple. A quick hand wash is all you need to keep this skillet looking like new. Durable and scratch-resistant. The non-stick surface is scratch-resistant, ensuring that your skillet will last through countless meals without losing its performance. 10.5 quart capacity. The 16-inch by 13-inch by 3.2-inch deep skillet offers a spacious 10.5 quart capacity, allowing you to cook large portions of food for family gatherings, parties, or meal prep. Tall 3.1-inch sides. The deep sides reduce splatter and contain your food while cooking, making it easier to handle larger portions without worrying about spills or messes. Multi-purpose cooking. This skillet is perfect for making everything from eggs, omelets, and bacon to burgers, sausages, steaks, and even stir-fries. Precise cooking. The variable temperature dial allows you to set the temperature anywhere from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you with complete control over your cooking. Whether you need to gently simmer, sear, or fry, this skillet can handle it all. Power indicator light. The built-in indicator light ensures that the skillet has reached the desired temperature, making it easy to know when it's time to start cooking. Easy draining. The integrated pour spout makes it easy to drain excess liquids and grease from your food, perfect for gravy, sauces, or just reducing fat content. Reduced smoke. The extra deep drip well allows you to add water to reduce smoke when grilling or cooking high-fat foods, keeping your kitchen clean and comfortable. Cool touch handles and knobs. The cool touch handles and knobs ensure that you can safely move and adjust the skillet during cooking without risk of burns. ETL certified. This electric skillet is ETL certified, which means it meets the highest safety standards. You can cook with peace of mind knowing that your skillet is reliable and safe to use. 1-year limited warranty. Elite Gourmet offers a 1-year limited warranty against manufacturer defects, ensuring that your purchase is protected. Why should you buy the Elite Gourmet electric skillet? The Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet is more than just a cooking appliance. It's a kitchen powerhouse designed to make meal preparation faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Here are just a few reasons why this skillet should be your next kitchen upgrade. Save time and energy. Cooking large meals for your family or hosting a dinner party is easy with the generous cooking surface. You can cook one-dish meals without overcrowding the pan. Healthier cooking. With the non-stick marble stone coating, you can use less oil, making your meals healthier without compromising on flavor or texture. Convenient and easy to use. The adjustable temperature control, cool touch handles, and pour spout make it user-friendly for even the busiest cooks. Perfect for large portions. Whether you're cooking for a big family or meal prepping for the week, the 10.5 quart capacity allows you to prepare large portions at once. Versatile cooking options. From eggs to steaks, this skillet can handle a wide variety of cooking techniques, from frying and sautéing to simmering and searing. This is a must-have appliance for anyone who loves to cook large meals quickly and efficiently. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make your cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.